right, so this is an example, like another example of a post, right? And again, this is stuff that you just couldn't get in solid wood. This is butternut, which is really common to have those, what do they ever call them, in those beetle holes or something. But now you can see what I did here. This is a single piece, 3/4, another piece, another piece, another piece. This one I was using spline joinery on, and that works out pretty well. If you don't have a domino or whatever, festool domino, the spline joinery is something that I'll probably cover at one point. But this is all basically set up for dry fit just to see how things worked, and basically as a demo. But when this was all done, if I were to put this together, use Gorilla Glue and everything else, you'll hardly even see that seam, and it'd be really solid. Plus, making posts like this allows for the addition of wiring. I don't know about the code on 110. That would be up to an electrician to decide, but definitely 12 volt, like on a bed, where you want 12 volt lighting. You can put USB chargers in there, stuff like that. But again, you may even be able to put that. I have had electricians I've made wider posts for railings, and I've had electricians put wiring in there, but again, I left that up to them as far as the code goes, and then they mount an outlet right in there, and then you don't have to have a floor outlet, stuff like that. So that's an example of posts.